grape dumplings. Has anybody ever had those? Oh, okay, you have. So now it's not, some people say, oh, do you put grapes in it? No, easiest way is just to go get this. I've used like the frozen concentrated one, and everybody really likes that, but it's almost too sweet for me. But I like the consistency of it. It's because it's thicker, you know. And I got to tell you, I normally just throw it in there, but I want to let you know, do it like I'm following it. Yeah, I think I might go ahead and double it. So right now, I'm still just following the recipe, and I've doubled it. And you can do the same with the Hapashutsi fry bread mix if you want to do that, or with your own, from scratch flour mix. And then we use canola oil as opposed to the lard that, a lot of people use. Because, oh yeah, lard was another ration given. Doesn't it sound like such a wonderful, healthy diet? And then you wonder, what about this diabetes that these Indians have? It's the highest of any other population. So see that? That's what you'll probably make your dough look like when you follow the recipe. That's not what you want. So. That's what I like, so I can drop it off better. And like I said, most people don't do it like this. And one thing I'm not is very patient, so I might just go ahead and start, even though I probably shouldn't. This part does take a little bit of time since. See how it pops up? Okay. Takes a little while. At the end, I'm always trying to find spots, like to be able to put it into the liquid. But I think I want to try it sometime. I've always thought, well, that would be neat to try it, but I don't think grapes would taste good like that. But the blueberries tasted good when I tried that. I mean, when somebody made it and I ate it. So that's pretty much it, and I just have to keep just adding it in. And I like it because I like all the different size of pieces of dumplings because I don't know, I just like textures, different feels when you eat something.
You're all of the things that you think you're.
What my daughter said is, why do you always make this food for everybody else?
His whole book is about, his family, like, smells of the cold tortillas, and I'm like,
yeah, we gotta have those. Let's go buy this for
oh, of course. Well, I do too. His whole book is about, his family, like, smells of the cold tortillas, and I'm like,
yeah, we gotta have those. Let's go buy this for
oh, of course. Well, I do too.